Here's Puff, Step. This is the game. These are the characters. My man's just about to roll some dice to play the game.
You know what I mean?
Here we go.
So whoever get the highest go first, right? Wow, I get one. That's hard. Ooh, Mike, you go first. Oh, what you get? Who goes first?
Alright, there's 4, right? That's highest is which.
Yeah.
Alright, we're in.
Okay.
Boom, boom.
Mr. Bong, what's that? Bong Julio.
What did I say?
Bong Julio fucking landed on the steps.
On the steps.
Show him the card.
Julio. Here's the card. This is the cards you gotta pick.
So now, my turn now? Or no, you're higher than me.
Wait, say what you say though.
Stop, player. Your card backfires. Now you must do the deed.
So that's a card to hold in your hand, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have my blunt. Go ahead. 5, wow. Puff, puff, oh.
Slide the
right. And then when you win, you push your guy up, you go up 1, yo.
Take a blunt, move up 2 spaces.
Okay, but you go over here already. When you hit on the blunt, you go up like that, so now you go up 2 spaces. So you draw another card again.
You got a 3 red on the blunt.
Take a bong toke, move 2 more.
Oh shit.
So you gotta take 2 bong tokes.
Wow. Now it's my turn. See what's up, yo? Fire is about to burn up, you know what I mean? Wow. I got 1, yo. I got a step card.
For real, don't know. That was Blitz. That was Blitz the Magic.
1, 2 times in a row.
This one is.
Who's Lady Boots?
Stop player, your card backfires. Okay, I got one of them 2 people cards. Okay, so your turn. Michael's turn now.
Thank you, sir.
Down, drop, Puff.
Here, what's the card say?
How good is your balance? Take a toke of a joint and hold it for 30 seconds while standing on your head.
Boom.
6.
We all know I could go like 5 minutes.
Alright. Your turn now.
Where are these cards
Your
going?
weed has been jacked by some street thug. You give each player at the table a joint or move back 5 squares.
Nice.
Okay, so you move back 5.
This is a serious weed game, man.
Yo.
Yeah,
crazy.
How good is your balance? Take a toke of a joint and hold it for 30 seconds while standing on your head. Headstand optional. That's crazy.
Sick, right? Okay, so Mike's turn now? No, my turn.
I will never play this game because I can't do half of the shit.
Well, you know what I mean?
Oh
it's not for
God,
everybody. You take, that's what it says optional in it, right? That's what it says optional. Wow, you see I got 1? Like, yo.
Twice in a row.
Yo, I can't believe that.
That's
yeah, man. Go ahead. Sometime it will happen to you in the game. Pop step, you'll get stuck doing one move, one step.
When we first made the game, this guy got stuck on this corner like a whole fucking
5 turns. Kept hitting this one, go up.
You get 5, 5, 5, and it kept bringing him right back.
Your turn, man, guys. 6.
For your fridge.
What do you mean? I want one more of those.
Right there.
Your turn.
Oh, you're in. Oh, there's one right there, actually.
Yeah. 4. You just kick yours off like that.
Yo, Mr. Blizzard, Mr. Bong Blizzard.
I got 1 again, guy.
That's sick.
You see this shit? I got 1 like 4 in a row, guy.
That's 4 snake eyes in a row.
Come on, give me something good. Step card. Step card. What did it say? Your weed has been jacked by...
Yeah, been jacked by my thug.
Move back 5 squares. Fuck.
Been jacked up my thug.
I can't even move back 5
this
squares.
This game is just crazy.
I'm stuck. I'm back to the beginning again. I haven't left the fucking area once.
You can't go back over it?
I definitely guarantee that you will
only if you
not
come
walk
from this
away
way.
from this game.
You know what I mean?
That's my guy's name.
Or over the joint.
You won't be able to walk away from this game.
Alright, so who's next? Mikey.
It's the game that keeps you glued to your seat.
I'm telling you, right?
Yeah, if your legs don't move, the rest of you ain't moving.
No, you have to get around. You want to get out.
Yeah.
I'm about to finish this. How many?
Finish what? Going around?
Yeah, I'm about to finish the first lap. That's the champions too.
1 again.
Oh
Yo, dog, this is the 5th time I got 1.
5 ones in a row.
Wow.
We're gonna go for 6. That's got to be a record.
You go back.
That's got to be a record.
Yo, and we're recording the whole thing. You know that?
Yeah, 5 ones in a row. That's some unlucky shit.
What are you doing?
Unlucky shit.
Here, play this card. Take a card from me. See it? And I play this card. Move up 2 spaces. 1, 2. Draw this one. Take first card.
So
Decide
what
you
the hell
take a
happens
flip.
when we run out of cards, man?
Then your cards are done. You put them back. Shuffle them, put them back in. You know? Okay, so anyway, I'll keep this one go. This is like a trash can. Oh, you missed goal. You have to go. He just missed the whole. If you don't pass goal, you don't lose. You don't lose one thing off your race. And you're going around 3 times, right? So the first one to get around 3 times win. But you hit this, you go here. You don't pass. Stop or start.
Doesn't count. Doesn't know you didn't go fast. You
Exactly.
got first time round.
Actually, stop,
See?
player. That card doesn't work. I'm stuck right there. I had to stop my own card.
Oh shit! Nice move. Nice move. Your
See
turn.
that? He just bypassed start and just slid up the joint. Didn't
Gone.
pass go.
5.
Doesn't get to be the first one to go around.
Wow. This guy's the only one making it around the full circle.
This is the second time around first.
My buddy Blitz invites you over for a smoke of the holy green smoke. Take a blunt toke and move to the closest blue square. Huh?
Yeah, it's closest.
Yeah, it is closest. So you're pretty much here. He's at 1 now. So you gotta go around this 2 more times to win. Okay, so my turn. I got 2. Take my card.
I'm gonna have to run to the store. Once you take
Everybody
over.
done?
Yeah, I run to the store and take over.
Probably just 7 this turn.
You guys don't know who that is? That's Mike Sr. He's
Move
scared
close
of
to
his
blue.
girl.
I give it.
Move to the store. Blue.
Yeah, wait,
YouTube world.
Closest
By 10
blue.
pounds.
Closest blue.
Yeah,
Fuck,
that's it.
backwards. Go. Alright, anyway, this is it from now. It's going to be a long game. We'll link you back later. Take it easy. Rastacomics Station out.